Hello minasan, konnichiwa. This is Trilingual Japanese Sensei. In this video, we are going to learn about number systems in Japanese. There are slight difference in Japanese number systems. For example, till the units of 1000, it is similar to the ordinary number systems used across the world. But from 10,000 onwards, it is not similar. Beyond 10,000s, it's represented in the units of 10,000s. For example, 1 lakh is not pronounced in Japanese as it is. Rather, it is pronounced in the units of 10 times of 10,000s. Without further wait, let us get into the topic of number systems from single digit to 6 digit. Okay, to begin with, 1 digit numbers. The first one, ichi. Ichi means number 1. Ni. Ni means number 2. San. San means number 3. Yon or shi. Yon or shi means number 4. The next one, go. Go means number 5. Roku. Roku means number 6. Nana or shichi. Nana or shichi means number 7. Hachi. Hachi means number 8. Q or ku. Q or ku means number 9. In single digit number system, number 4, 7 and 9 has been represented with 2 different sounds. Let's get started with 2 digit number system. In 2 digit number system, number 10 is called as ju. Number 20 means niju. Number 30 sanju. Number 40 yonju. Number 50 goju. Number 70 nanaju. Number 80 hachiju. Number 90 kyuju. Wait. We have a catch here. There are 3 numbers in this page needs a close attention. Number 40 is called as yonju, not shiju. As you see, number 4 is having 2 different notation. One is yon and another one is shi. So 40 means yonju. Please remember this. Similarly, number 70 is nanaju, not shichiju. Number 90 is kyuju, not kuju. Please remember this carefully as it is a base for number system in Japanese. So far we have come across 2 digit and single digit number systems in Japanese. Let us test how we have understood the different patterns using small quiz. Here there is a number called 12. So in Japanese, 12 is represented as 1 tens, 2 ones, which means ju and ni. Ju ni. Ju means 10, ni means 2. Ju ni. Ju ni means 12. Yes. The second quiz, number 47. 4 tens. 40, which means yonju. 7 means nana. So, yonju nana means 47. Another quiz, 74. Here, 70 means nanaju, 4 means yon. Nanaju yon. Nanaju yon means number 74. Another one, 98. 90 means kyuju, 8 means hachi. Altogether, kyuju hachi means 98. Another one, 56. 50 means goju, 6 means roku. Combines together, goju roku means 56. I hope you had a fun time in learning single digit and 2 digit numbers. Let's keep the same momentum to learn about 3 digit number systems as well. In 3 digit number system, let's start with 100. 100 is called as hyaku in Japanese. It is not hyaku, it is hyaku. Similarly, 200 is called as 200, 300, 300, not 300. 400, 400, not 400. 500, 500, 600, 600, it is not 600. 700 means 700, not 700. 800, 800, not 800. 900, 900, not 900. If you see carefully in this page, there are 5 places we need a closer attention. 300, 300, 400, 400, 600, 600, 700, 700, and 800, 800. Without further wait, let's test our knowledge in 3-digit number system. The first number, 566. It is having 5 hundreds, 6 tens, 6 ones, which means 566. 500 means 500, 60 means 60, 6 means 6. Combines together 566. 566. The next number 379. 300, 300, 70, 70, 9, Q. 300, 70, Q. 300, 70, Q. The next number 647. 600, 600, 40, 40, 7, 7. 647. 647. That's amazing. Let's get into 4-digit number system. In 4-digit number system, let's start with 1000. 1000 means 10. Without further wait, let's see how 2000, 3000 till 9000 is represented. 2000 means Nisen, 3000 Sanzen, not Sansen, 4000 Yonsen, not Shisen, 5000 Gosen, 6000 Roxen, 7000 Nanasen, not Shchisen, 8000 Hassen, not Hachisen, 9000 Qsen, not Kusen. So here also there are 2 points which needs closer attention. 3000 and 8000. 3000 Sanzen, 8000 Hassen. Sanzen, Hassen. Okay, let's get into the quiz area for 4-digit number system. 3374. 3000 means Sanzen, 300 means Sambyak, 70 Nanaju, 4 Yon. Sanzen, Sambyak, Nanaju, Yon. Repeat. Sanzen, Sambyak, Nanaju, Yon. The next number 8637. 8000 Hassen, 600 Ropyak, 30 Sanju, 7 Nana. Hassen Ropyak Sanju Nana. Repeat. Hassen Ropyak Sanju Nana. Let's see the 5-digit number system. 5-digit number system starts with 10,000. 10,000 means man. 10,000 is called as Ichiman, 1 times of 10,000. Let's see the subsequent variants. 20,000 Niman, 30,000 Samman, 40,000 Yonman, 50,000 Goman, 60,000 Rokuman, 70,000 Nanaman, 80,000 Hachiman, 90,000 Qman. Now it is a quiz time with 5-digit numbers. 46,859. In Japanese, it cannot be pronounced as Yonjurokusen Happyaku Kojukyu because we have to start pronouncing from 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So 40,000 means Yoman, 6,000 means Rokusen, 800 Happyaku, 50 Goju, 9 Q. So altogether, 46,859. 46,859. 1 crore is represented as Isenman, 1000 times of 10,000 units. If you add one more zero, that is 10 crore. 10 crore is called in Japanese as Ichioku. Ichioku means 100 millions. That is 10 crores. Please write down some numbers. Try to find how it is called in Japanese in the comment sections. Let us exchange the ideas on learning different numbers by sharing with others. Thank you. I believe this video is informative and helpful for the beginners. Please subscribe to Trilingo Japanese Sensei channel and enable the bell icon to get the regular updates. Please reach out in the comment section if you have any doubts. Happy learning. Mite korete arigatou.